Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwade. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in onto your Instagram account using your phone. So, to log in onto your Instagram account using your phone, you first need to install Instagram app on your phone by going to the Play Store. So, to find more information on how you can install Instagram account, click on the link on the top. Watch the video on how you can install Instagram app on your phone. So to start logging in with your Instagram account on your phone, open an Instagram app install on your phone. So this is my Instagram app. By clicking on it, you enter your username or user ID. Here you can choose to input your email that you use to register for your Instagram account. Here I will choose my user ID. So I enter my user ID and I enter my password so that I can log in to my Instagram account. So after entering my password, click on login. I have been able to log into my Instagram account. Here you can choose to save your password. You cannot choose not to save. I have log into my Instagram account. So I go and click on sign out. Sign out your Instagram account. Thank you for watching. Please kindly comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.